Hello and welcome to Helix Video Solutions. In this video, we'll see how to collect the thread dumps, the heap dumps, and the application snapshot from a running AR server. This is applicable to ARS 9.x and above. So we'll capture the dumps and the snapshot using the JVisualVM utility. So this utility is inside the JDK bin folder. So JDK is a must in order to capture the dumps using the JVisualVM. So initially, in order to use this setting, we need to make sure that we have these JVM options added inside the arserver.config. So these three options is a must. So here we give the path where these dumps will be saved. So just verify if we have this, and if not, we need to add this to the arserver.config file and restart the AR services in order for the changes to reflect. Also, one more thing to check is we need to make sure that we have the JMX port 61500. This is the default port used for JMX connection. So this is verified. This should be present inside the centralized configuration for com.bmc.arsys.server component. Once we have verified we have the required settings for the JVisualVM to launch, we'll launch this utility. So I have navigated to JDK bin directory and I have launched the JVisualVM.exe. We'll go to the JVisualVM utility and go to File, Add JMX connection, and I will add the server connection, give the credentials. Check this checkbox if you do not require SSL connection. Click OK. So I have this connection added here. So here in this I have Overview tab, Monitor tab, Threads tab, and the Sampler. So in the Monitor tab I have this heap dump button. So if I click that, a heap dump will be generated, and in the thread dumps I have the thread dump button. So if I click this, a thread dump will be generated. Also, there is another way. I can right click on the connection and there is the option to take the thread dump, heap dump, and the application snapshot. So either ways I can take the snapshot or the dumps. So I'll click the thread dump and a thread dump will be generated. Also, I will take a heap dump and an application snapshot. So if I expand this, I see a heap dump, a thread dump, a heap dump, and the snapshot is there inside the snapshots option. So this way I can take multiple thread dumps. I'll wait for an interval of 1 minute. With an interval of 1 minute, I can take multiple thread dumps. So now I have taken one at 4:28. So I'll create one more using this thread dump button. Then using this heap dump button, I'll create another heap dump. So this way I need to take multiple dumps. Then in a gap of another minute, I'll take another dump. So once the dumps are created, I can save the thread dumps, save all the dumps. So you can save it inside the documents folder or any folder which you require. So I'll take this and I'll save it inside the documents folder. Save the heap dump. Save all the dumps which we have created. So the thread dump will be saved as with the .tdump extension, and a heap dump is saved with a .hprof extension. Then I will save the application snapshot. This is saved with a .apps extension. So make sure you have enough memory on the machine from where you will be launching this utility, and also on the server for the dumps to save. Then once this is saved, we can zip those dumps and share on the FTP folder with BMC support. Also, we have another option here in the tools options. If suppose you need to capture the application snapshot for 24 hours, or when you choose to collect the data over a period of time such as 24 hours, provide the time frame as the number of seconds for this monitored host value. This will cause JVisualVM to keep most recent 24 hours of data. So this is how we use this JVisualVM utility to capture the dumps and the application snapshot. Thank you for watching this video.